Hey everybody, hope everybody's doing well. Happy 4th of July. Hope you guys have enjoyed your nice long weekend vacation. John here, Vapor Hunting Technologies, working today on a vintage XS 650 side cover. A little bit of before, a little bit of after to show you guys the difference that vapor hunting can have on your parts. I'm doing a little bit of test here for everybody to watch. What's going to happen, I'm going to put this part on eBay. I've had this part in one of my stashes for now a couple years, and I know somebody really needs this part because they don't make them anymore, obviously. But wanted to show you while I'm doing this, I was using the vapor hunting system to clean the part up, and wanted you guys to be able to see the difference that this process has on these old scrap junk parts. You can see all the corrosion from over the years on this part, and here is some of the corrosion that's left over after the vapor hunting process. And I mean, just look at the massive difference. And I've told people before, if you guys have any hesitation about buying this process, by all means do not have any hesitation, because you're going to be able to turn junk parts into something that looks magnificent, something that looks brand new, something that you can sell for a whole lot more money. Imagine what if I would have put this part online for sale looking like this. I'm going to get nowhere near the amount of money if I put it on there looking brand new, original, like it came from the factory. And there's guys doing this all day, every day. There's a million different examples that you can do to use vapor hunting to increase your business and your profitability and the perceived value of the product or service that you offer. I'm sure in the past you've seen the videos come out over the past couple months of all the people we've been partnering with, that they've been using vapor hunting for years behind the scenes, and now we're just helping them get set up and get this revolutionary process in their garage. But if you guys have questions, give the sales team a call, shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help. And as always, thanks for watching.